Something unusual is happening on social media, and animated animals are at the center of it, captivating millions and racking up views, shares, and earnings like never before. Ever wonder how much cash these videos are pulling in? These characters have taken the internet by storm, combining mysterious storytelling, haunting visuals, and mind-bending twists that leave audiences hooked, guessing, and eager to share. One reason these videos are so popular today is because animated animals are instantly appealing. Their cute, familiar faces draw viewers in. But it's the unexpected suspense, shocking twists, and fast-paced cliffhangers that keep people hooked, making them perfect for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. But did you know these videos are surprisingly easy to make? As you can see, there's no voiceover, only background music and sound effects are used. With a creative, idea and AI animation tools available online, you can create content just like this. In fact, you could be making viral videos and earning money from it. Stick around until the end of this video to learn how to create your own and start your journey as an animated animals creator today. Step 1. Creating a story. To craft a story, we will be using ChatGPT. We just asked ChatGPT to create a story for us. This is what I typed in. Make a short story. A curious little yellow chick sets out on an exciting adventure to explore a mysterious island. As he arrives, he spots a tiny turtle, much smaller than himself, teetering on the edge of a steep cliff. With a brave leap, the chick swoops in just in time to rescue the frightened turtle. Grateful and wide-eyed, the turtle becomes the chick's new best friend. Together, the unlikely duo sets off on a heartwarming journey across the world, discovering new places, facing fun challenges, and learning the true meaning of friendship, 3D Pixar style. Within seconds, ChatGPT comes up with a story based on what you asked for. Next, I asked ChatGPT to generate 15 visual images for our story. I also included descriptions of our characters, so it could create visuals for each scene based on the characters we provided. And what typed here is, make 15 visual images about the story, divide the story scene by scene, and include the characters. The yellow chick is a super cute 3D Pixar-style yellow baby chick with fluffy, soft feathers, big, shiny black eyes, and a small orange beak. Around its neck is a brown leather necklace with a shiny, heart-shaped metal pendant engraved with the words, Tiny Scouts, while the little turtle is an adorable 3D Pixar-style baby turtle with a turquoise blue body and a smooth green shell with subtle swirl patterns. The turtle has large, shiny brown eyes, a round snout, and plump cheeks, giving it a cheerful and expressive face. Around its neck is a brown leather necklace with a metallic heart-shaped pendant engraved with the words Tiny Scouts. And again, within a few seconds, ChatGPT provided visual image descriptions of how each scene appears. However, I forgot to include the prompts, so we requested a prompt for each scene. Then after that, ChatGPT will rewrite the scene with prompts on it. Be sure to copy and paste them into your document for future reference. Step 2. Creating images. To create the images, we'll use PicLumen AI. PicLumen AI is a powerful image generation tool that transforms text prompts into stunning, high-quality visuals. Known for its wide range of styles, from hyper-realistic to anime and digital art, it delivers impressive detail and accuracy. With advanced AI models and intuitive controls, PicLumen makes it easy to create professional-looking images quickly, making it ideal for artists, designers, and content creators. As you can see, people are generating amazing images using this advanced AI tool. And the best part, you can generate unlimited images with this AI tool 100% free of cost. To start to PicLumen, click Generate for free. After logging in, click on the Create button. To start creating images with PicLumen, simply copy the first prompt from your story and paste it here. At the end of the prompt, add 3D Pixar style to generate cartoon-style images instead of realistic ones. After that, click on this button and select the Flux 1 model. In the Dimensions section, select A9:16 ratio. This ratio is ideal for Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts videos. Then set the quantity to 2 to create 2 image variations at once. Finally, click the Generate button. After just a few seconds, Piclumen generates two beautiful animated images for us. As you can see, Piclumen has generated two variations of the same prompt, and the result is just incredible. Piclumen has included all the details, exactly as we specified in the prompt, which is why it's generating such amazing images. Keep generating images until you have visuals for every scene in your story. To download the images you'd like to use, just click the arrow below each one and save it to your computer. Step 3. Image to video. We'll use Hilo AI to bring our images to life. Hilo AI is a creative tool that transforms still images into dynamic videos using advanced AI animation techniques. It allows users to animate characters, scenes, or concepts with lifelike motion, making it ideal for storytelling, content creation, and visual projects. Hilo AI offers 100 free credits to all users, and the best part, these credits renew every day. This means you can generate high-quality videos daily without any cost. It offers features like image-to-video conversion, text-to-video generation, and subject reference for consistent character appearances. Since we already have the images, I will click on Image to Video to proceed. After that, click here to upload the image. Click this button to specify the camera movements. You can test all of these camera movements and select the one that best suits your visuals. This will add a stunning cinematic effect to your video, making it more engaging and dynamic. After that, I will add some keywords here to guide Hilo AI in generating the expected visuals. After that, I'll click the Generate button. It will take some time to generate the video, but the result is incredible. But if you want to generate videos faster, you'll need to purchase a subscription package, starting at $10 per month. But you can also use this tool for free by generating more videos with multiple Gmail accounts. And the best part? You can submit up to 3 tasks at a time, and the videos will continue generating even if you exit the page. So these are the videos that I created in Hilo AI. They are amazing, right? To download them, click the arrow down at the right side of the video and save them to your desktop. Place them in one folder. Now that we have our video clip, it's time to start editing. Step 4. Video editing. I'll be editing our video using CapCut. CapCut is a free and user-friendly video editing app that offers powerful tools like trimming, transitions, filters, text, and music, making it easy to create professional-looking videos on mobile or desktop. Open CapCut on your computer. You can also use any other video editing software you have available. Click on New Project, then select Import to add all the video clips you want to include in your project. Next, drag all your video clips onto the timeline. Did you notice the watermark here? It's because we're using a free account on Hilo AI. We can fix it by slightly increasing the scale of the video. Just adjust it until the watermark is no longer visible. Make sure to set the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is the standard format for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. This ensures your video is optimized for all major short-form platforms, helping you reach a wider audience. Next, arrange the video clips in the correct sequence. Trim parts of the footage as needed to adjust the speed, either to speed it up or slow it down. Continue this process until you reach the end of the final video clip. Then, I added background music. You can upload your own track, but I highly recommend choosing one from your YouTube Studio library, as it's safer in terms of copyright. Alternatively, you can use soundtracks from CapCut. Just go to the audio section and browse for music that fits your video. CapCut offers a wide selection of background tracks and sound effects to choose from. Next, add sound effects by going to Audio, then selecting Sound Effects. You can search for the specific sound effect you need by typing it into the search bar. Then, drag the sound effect onto the timeline below the video clip, placing it exactly where you want it to play. Next, let's add a transition to the video. Just click on Transitions. Choose a transition style and drag it between your video clips. Continue adding background music and sound effects to each scene until you reach the end of the video. And add a transition style between each video clip. Choose the one that best fits the mood and flow of your scenes. And when you're done, review your project, make sure you're satisfied with the video, audio, and effects on the timeline. Play it back to check for any final adjustments. Next, click the Export button located in the top right corner. Enter a name for your video and select the folder where you want to save it. Choose a resolution of 1080 pixels and a frame rate of 30 frames per second to ensure good video quality. Then, click Export to start the process. The export may take a few minutes depending on the length and quality of your video. Once it's done, you can save the video to your computer or upload it directly to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram from within CapCut. And here is the 3-minute video we produced.
What?
Subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our other videos too.